Keys get lost, combinations get forgotten, and traditional padlocks? They're just not smart enough for today's world. That's why QuickLock was created, the world's most versatile electronic padlock powered by Bluetooth, RFID, and NFC technology. With Bluetooth, unlocking takes just a tap on your smartphone. Fast, secure, and reliable. Want something even quicker? Use the included RFID card or fob. And if you're into wearables, any NFC-enabled device, like a smart ring or wristband, works effortlessly. But here's the real game changer. QuickLock lets you share access digitally. No more copying keys or sharing combinations. Through the QuickLock app, you can grant or revoke access instantly, whether it's for family, friends, or coworkers. You're in full control. Ever been stuck fumbling for keys with your hands full? Not anymore. Meet the Friday Smart Lock, the world's smallest, smartest door lock designed for your lifestyle. With Friday, your smartphone is your key. Just walk up, and the lock recognizes you. Running late? You can unlock your door from anywhere right through the Friday app. Need to let a friend in while you're away? Simply share digital keys that you can grant and revoke instantly. And because style matters, Friday Smart Lock comes in a range of finishes, blending seamlessly with your home's design. Worried about installation? Don't be. It fits onto your existing deadbolt in minutes, no drilling, no fuss. And for peace of mind, the auto-lock feature ensures your door locks securely every time you leave. Friday Smart Lock: elegant, powerful, and secure. Redefining how you unlock your world. Friday Smart Lock, the future of home security. Upgrade your door today. Keys are a hassle. Forget them, lose them, or fumble with them at the door. We've all been there. That's why Sesame Smart Lock is here, the world's easiest retrofit smart lock that installs in seconds. No tools, no hassle. Just attach it over your existing deadbolt, and you're good to go. With Sesame, your phone becomes your key. It even unlocks automatically as you walk up to the door. Prefer manual control? Just tap in the app to lock or unlock from anywhere. Need to let someone in while you're away? Share digital keys with family, friends, or even Airbnb guests, and revoke them instantly when you choose. Sesame is sleek, compact, and blends right into your home style. And with AutoLock, you'll never wonder if you left the door unlocked again. Sesame Smart Lock: smart, simple, and secure. No keys. No fuss. Just freedom. Sesame Smart Lock: upgrade your lock in seconds. Lost keys? Forgotten combinations? Traditional padlocks slow you down. Introducing TapLock, the world's first smart fingerprint padlock. With TapLock, your finger is the key. Just one touch, and you're in. You can store up to 500 fingerprints, perfect for family, friends, or your entire team. And if your hands are full, no problem. Unlock it with your smartphone using Bluetooth. You can even share access digitally, send permissions to others, and manage them anytime through the app. TapLock is versatile. Whether it's your gym locker, bike, storage unit, or backyard gate, one lock does it all. Built tough with a water-resistant, durable body, TapLock is designed for real-life conditions. And here's the best part: its long-lasting battery lasts up to a year on a single charge. That's 3,500 unlocks. TapLock: secure, smart, and keyless. The lock that unlocks your world with just a touch. TapLock, the world's first smart fingerprint padlock.